Vietnamese Chicken Pho. Start with one medium white onion. Slice the root off and cut the onion in half. Peel back the first layer of the onion. Make a few very thin slices of onion for future garnish. Take 2 scallions, remove and discard the tips, thinly slice the green part of the scallion. Place the 2 white scallion bulbs aside and the green scallion in a separate bowl. Using 1 knob of ginger, slice the ginger in half. Take 1 lime, slice the lime into 4 wedges. Using a jalapeno pepper, thinly slice half of it. In a skillet on medium heat, add 1 heart of spice faux spice packet. Toast the spices for 2 to 3 minutes. In a slow cooker, add 9 cups of water and the toasted spices. On the same skillet that you cook the spices on, and on high heat, place ginger cut side down and the onion cut side down. Cook for 8 to 10 minutes. Your ginger will cook longer than the onion. Add the onion and the ginger to the slow cooker. with the remaining ingredients from the Heart of Spice packet. Green onion stems, and 2 pounds of chicken. Allow everything to cook on high for 2 hours. Then remove the chicken and cook for an additional hour. Chop up the chicken into large serving chunks. Seal the chicken and set it aside. After the last hour has passed, drain the broth. To plate the chicken pho, serve it with rice noodles, pho broth, the mushroom, I used the one from the packet, the chicken chunks, bean sprouts, jalapeno slices, thinly sliced white onion, thinly sliced green scallion, basil, and cilantro. Now go and enjoy your chicken pho.